Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Quick Cue video series. This is Mrs. Burt. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload your show if for some reason it hasn't just stayed in the program. Okay, so you can see here I've got blank, there's nothing here, no fixtures, there's no stacks, nothing's happening. So I'm going to go over to my 3 lines and my files. Now, load show, I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to look where I saved it, which is my USB or on my console, okay? So I'm looking for this one here, the Sunday, April 17th version. So I'm going to click on that and open. And it says changes have been made. Okay, that's fine. All right, and now here is the show that I was working on before, and there we go. I can now play my show. And that's all there is to it.